Have you ever been browsing the internet and suddenly been asked to prove you're not a robot? That, my friend, is a CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It's a test to make sure a real person is using a website, not a computer program pretending to be a human. Why do we need CAPTCHAs? Well, imagine a website selling concert tickets. A bot, which is a type of computer program, could be programmed to buy thousands of tickets the second they go on sale. This would prevent real people from getting tickets. CAPTCHAs help prevent this by making sure only humans can access certain parts of websites. CAPTCHAs are important for protecting websites and online services. They help prevent spam, stop bots from creating fake accounts, and ensure that only real people are interacting with online content. Think of them as digital bouncers, keeping the unwanted guests out of the party. So how do CAPTCHAs actually work? They take advantage of the fact that computers and humans think differently. Humans are great at recognizing patterns and understanding context, even when things are a bit messy. Computers, on the other hand, struggle with this. A CAPTCHA presents a challenge that is easy for a human to solve, but difficult for a computer. For example, a CAPTCHA might show you a series of distorted letters and ask you to type them in. Humans can usually decipher the distorted text, but computers have a much harder time. If a user fails a CAPTCHA, the website might block them from continuing. This is because repeated failures could indicate that a bot is at work. Google, for example, uses CAPTCHAs to protect its various services, like search and Gmail. If Google detects suspicious activity from your IP address, it might flag you as a potential bot and present you with a CAPTCHA. While CAPTCHAs are important for security, they can sometimes be a bit annoying for us humans. We've all been there, squinting at blurry text or clicking on endless pictures of traffic lights. The user experience of encountering a CAPTCHA can range from a minor inconvenience to a frustrating roadblock. Over time, CAPTCHAs have evolved to become more user-friendly and accessible. There are now different types of CAPTCHAs, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some common types include text-based CAPTCHAs. These are the classic CAPTCHAs that display distorted text, image-based CAPTCHAs. These CAPTCHAs require users to identify objects in images like cars or bicycles. Audio CAPTCHAs. These CAPTCHAs play a series of distorted sounds and ask users to type what they hear. No CAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA. This type of CAPTCHA simply requires users to click a checkbox to confirm they are not a robot. Each type of CAPTCHA presents its own set of challenges for both users and website owners. The goal is to find the right balance between security and user experience. Section 4. The balance between security and user experience. Finding the right balance between security and user experience is crucial when it comes to CAPTCHAs. On the one hand, we want CAPTCHAs to be effective at stopping bots. On the other hand, we don't want them to be so difficult that they frustrate real users and drive them away from websites. Website owners and developers face a constant challenge in finding this balance. If CAPTCHAs are too easy, bots can bypass them. If they are too difficult, they can create a barrier for legitimate users, especially those with disabilities. The development of new CAPTCHA technologies is an ongoing process. Researchers are constantly working on creating CAPTCHAs that are both secure and user-friendly. The goal is to find solutions that effectively block bots while providing a smooth and accessible experience for human users. Section 5. Technical details and the future of CAPTCHAs. From a technical standpoint, when you encounter a CAPTCHA, it's often because the website server has flagged your IP address for suspicious activity. An IP address is like a digital street address for your device on the internet. If your IP address is making a lot of requests to the website in a short amount of time, it might trigger a CAPTCHA. For example, on January 13, 2025, at 12:40:06 UTC, a user with the IP address 2600190002D011101 encountered a CAPTCHA. This suggests that the website or service they were trying to access detected unusual activity from that IP address. The future of CAPTCHAs is likely to involve more sophisticated methods of distinguishing between humans and bots. Researchers are exploring the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to create captchas that are invisible to users but still effective at blocking bots. This could lead to a more seamless online experience where security measures work behind the scenes without interrupting our browsing. So, the next time you encounter a captcha, remember that it's there for a reason, to keep the internet a bit safer for everyone. And who knows, maybe one day soon, captchas will be so advanced that we won't even notice them.